Just got home and it's here. You block this address off. They're here. Yo, no lie guys, I was super excited.
I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it.
Once I ran my tracking number and it said that my package was delivered, I was amped. I paid literally for next day air shipping for this. They are here. The Vision Runners, Trippy Summer Vision Runners by Jaden Smith. And the colorway we went with, let's go ahead and get this box open now. I want to get straight into this because I'm super amped. Boom, boom. We went with the blue jade. I think they said the jade summer colorway, so I have to see on the box. Okay, there we go. Let's get this bad boy open. What we got here? All right, we got the receipt. We don't need that. Get that out of here. It's crap. Get it out of here. Get him out of here. Woo! Look at this box. Do you see it yet? All right, I'm loving the pink accents. Let's check out this box work first. Check out the pink accents on the box. We've got the Vision Racers logo, emblem, saying, whatever you want to call it there. Let's get it, guys. This box is made from 100% recycled materials. Perfect, awesome. You guys know me, I'm a nature freak, so I love stuff like that. Love the environment, save the planet, guys. All right, here we go. Oh my God. Look at these, they're beautiful. La, 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 la. God, I'm horrible. Check these out. Now, upon unboxing this, oh my God. Oh, that new shoe smell.
Bro, I'm really about to get your piccochini now, boy.
I'm not gonna lie, these are a lot bigger. The soles are a lot thicker and bigger than what I expected. This is my first pair of Vision Runners, by the way. But man, they're beautiful. Look at the detail here on the stitching on the side. You can actually see, it says Vision Racer. So what I'm about to do, guys, so you guys can see a lot clearer, I'm gonna switch my camera angle. That way you guys can be looking down and see a lot closer on what these shoes look like. And after that, we're gonna throw in a fit and see how they look on feet. So stand by, we're about to get trippy. All right, so if you look really close, one thing I'm impressed by is the attention to detail with the Vision Racer logo branding here going up and down alongside the shoe here. You guys can see. You can really tell that they actually put in some time with that. One of the other things that I like is the teal contrasting in with the New Balance sign. That's pretty dope. We got the New Balance here written in the Trippy colorway, which is Jaden Smith's pattern. We all know that. If you take a look here on the inside of the sole here, it's got some wording. It says, "We run the city in these Vision laces," which is some Trippy Jaden Smith stuff. Of course, we know that's his style. They come here with these yellow opposite shoestrings. You can swap those out. I've just left mine on right now just because. But if we go around here, we can check out this gum sole. Now, one thing I can say that I don't like about these already is I've worn these around the house just to get a feel for them. You can see they're actually starting to, wrinkle and crease up already. And this is only from within like 30 minutes of wearing it. So, I'm not a big fan. I thought this was gonna be like sealed somehow. It looks like it's just painted on, unfortunately. So, I wouldn't recommend wearing these shoes out a lot because any wrong bump, it could be a very slight bump and you're gonna be screwed. Let's go ahead to the bottom. We've got the iconic Vision Racer sealed kind of like design in there. It's pretty dope. I like the teal gum bottom. Got the New Balance logo there as well. We'll bring it around to the front of the shoe. And again, these are a lot bigger than what I expected them to be. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do now is actually I'm gonna throw these on with some pants so you guys can see how they're gonna look in joggers, some straight legs, and some skinnies. So you guys just hang out with me. We're gonna go try these bad boys on so you guys can get a look. All right, so here we are rocking some skinnies. I went with the teal just so we can kind of contrast the denim, so we can contrast the teal and the kind of dark blue here. or I think they call this Jade, the Jade color. So this is how we're rocking skinnies, and especially since we got this New Balance logo here in the back, I wanted to definitely show that off. So skinnies, I'm gonna put above. You see the logo here in the front. You know, just really showing off that whole Vision Racer, Trippy Summer New Balance design there. So that's how we rock them, or at least how I would rock these in skinnies. Check those. All right, we're gonna move on to the straight legs. All right, now here is a style I want you to be careful of with the straight legs or any kind of overlapping big denim here in white shoes. You want to be careful that these blue jeans don't bleed onto these white shoes. Now I don't know if this is still a common issue, but I remember when I used to wear like white Air Force Ones and some jeans, dude, I'd be so pissed because at the end of the night, it'll just be stained with the blue dye from the jeans. So definitely be careful with that. But here is another style, which you can, if you want to kind of still do that jogger style with some baggier pants, you can. You can see, you can definitely still do that. But this is the one I'd say I'd be more cautious of doing, just because of the blue denim and the blue dye bleeding over the white shoe. But if you wanted to, you could also rock them this way. All right, so we're gonna go run, grab these joggers, and I'm gonna rock these with joggers and close this video out. And finally, we're gonna close out with the joggers. So we couldn't forget the joggers, right? Now, even though I wore denim and I'm wearing black, there's like a million other colors you can rock with these. It's just what I'm showing you guys you could do. There's a million other combinations you can get really funky with these. But here I am just rocking some just simple black joggers. Contrast the white really well. It doesn't conflict with any of the other colors because it's black, it's neutral. So, you know, we just rock these with the standard joggers. If you wanted to really get crazy, and what I would do is, I would actually swap out the shoestrings and go ahead and plug those yellow shoestrings in so you can contrast the black very, very well. Since the black go ahead and matches out and evens out with the rest of these colors so well. So that's another mix-up you can do. This is just something I do again. A million other ways you can do it. That's been it, guys. These are the Trippy Summer. These are the Vision Racer Trippy Summers. Jaden Smith, New Balance. Gotta check those out. Appreciate it. If you like this video, go ahead and make sure you hit that like button, that follow button. I'm only gonna get better with time with these, you know, get more in depth with these. So I appreciate you all for tuning in. I hope you all have a great day. Stay safe and stay fly.